Hello and welcome back to my channel, my dearest friends. Today I want to share with you all. This is my first time to take unboxing review. Wish me luck today. By the way, this smartphone was itel S23, their latest and lowest price here in Philippines. Of course everyone or a few there knows this product already, but in my channel everything rigs out. Proceeding unboxing on itel S23.
If you wanted to use this device in your hand, take this as a reminder to you all. Put any case suitable on this phone because fingerprints are very visible here.
Check this out, my friends. Fingerprint sensor are accurate. This is satisfying. .90 Hz refresh rate are 90% smooth. Just look at that motions.
Satisfying monitor. Look at the screen of itel S23 isn't smooth.
In this clip, viewing some details around here. First of all was camera quad modules at the back there for 50 megapixels main rear cam, and 8 megapixel front cam. This phone is powered by Unisoc Tiger T606, with 8 GB of RAM plus 128 GB of internal memory, and lastly battery of this phone massively 5000 mAh and addition 10 watts fast charging, good for everything. Satisfying. Here are the sums of camera photos from normal to zoom, and same thing with a video. Judgment is in your mind now.
This is the end of my video, friends. If you enjoyed watching in my channel, please do subscribe and hit notification bell for more satisfying content like this one. And friends, this is the price since before.